Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can connect the JBL Earbuds to JBL Headphone app. There is multiple important things that you need to know. So the first thing is that if you're gonna have pairing issues, what you need to do is to try to turn on the location on your phone, because possibly the JBL needs to have it for some reason. This is the first thing. The second thing is that when you are going to download the JBL Headphone app, you can go to top right to plus. And if you are going to actually find the product, your product here, this is also really important. So because like you can try it as much as you want, but if it's not going to be suitable for your product, then it's not possible to do it. And the whole process is simple. So I'm going to take it out. And I review a lot of earbuds from JBL, like about 15-20 of them. And some of them had even issues with the app. It was like they were like removing for some reason. So I really think that some of the earbuds are just defected. So right here you see that it's not going to automatically connect for some reason, even when it should appear on my phone. Oh, here it is. So connect. And now I'm going to connect it. That's also pretty simple. And look at this. So can't connect, right? And why? So sometimes even right now for this video, and this is not like pre-made, I'm just going to try it out again, and it just can't connect. So I will just remove it. Back on. So for example, these are the JBL Tune Beam, and I had issues even when I was like reviewing these. So same process, connect. And let's see if it's going to work out right now. And you can try it out also. So I'm going to click done here. And I will go here. So couldn't pair. Oh, device connected. Okay, finally. So then when it's going to be connected, you're going to find them right here, the JBL Tune Beam. And then you can find here whatever you're gonna have, like the left, right, and also the case battery. Then the possible for ambient sound, for example, for ANC, for integrated, for ambient aware. And look, it just like removed for some reason. So I hope this is not going to be an issue that you are going to have, but with these JBL Tune Beam, I don't really like that. Then you can have equalizer that you can set up and choose, and also change the vocal, the bass, the club, the studio, and all of that. And then you can have voice aware, smart audio video, where you can have also the video mode, a left right sound balance, and also voice assistant. So this is something that you can have. And then you can also have the max volume limiter. So this is about it. And find my buds. So this is something that I don't like about this app, that it's not really reliable. So this is something that you need to know. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.